Whew. So we are near the temple of Shivji, Shiva temple. I guess this must be Shiva temple as per I block which I see. And that was Dhanya Kothar or Darugar Kothar above, looking some part of what say Rajwada. So we will be moving along the Tadbandi. We first take the darshan of Shivji, then we will go towards Tadbandi, because Tadbandi, walking on Tadbandi gives another kind of feeling. But before that, there are so many trees of jamun. So I will first go and take darshan of Shivji, and then I will come here and eat bunch of jamuns. So here we are now. Here is a well behind the temple. So I will not go from here. So I will go from ahead. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Looking very beautiful and very historical. Look at this view. How golden view is this? Looking very historic and very good. So like we will take darshan of our devas. So I didn't want to show off or kind of do things. So I will just show here, close here, and take the God's temples or from my heart. Like I don't want to show off, because that doesn't help in well. So but let's see. There are beautiful sculptures around this, and this looks thousands of years old. This is really good. The stone above stone and very beautiful and spread near this. So one of the things I want to say is that there are plenty of trees of jamuns, and karvandas are in plenty of numbers. So there are two nandis, and inside we can see the लाईक आपण नागजींची मूर्ती बघू शकतो मध्ये. तर आपण नतमस्तक होऊया महादेवांच्या इथे चरणात आणि पुढच्या ब्लॉगला सुरू करू. सो एंड ऑफ दिस नाव. टू रू 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 रू.